Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to today's video. It is Tuesday. We're gonna make it a healthy Taco Tuesday and make some shrimp tacos. I think it could be taco every day, taco every month, taco year. I love Mexican food and I think it's one of the easiest food types to make healthy and macro friendly. So today we're gonna make some shrimp tacos. Subscribe to the channel right now if you love healthy eating, if you love everyday recipes made just a little bit healthier for you, because that is what we do here. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video if you also like Mexican food. If you don't like Mexican food, comment down below and let me know what your favorite food is. And maybe we'll try a recipe like that later on. But otherwise, let's get started. I'm also gonna be using shrimp today, which is a really great option because shrimp are very high in protein per volume. And I'm going to season them with just standard taco seasoning. I'm gonna use about half of the packet. I've used half of the taco seasoning to make a healthy 7-layer dip, so make sure you check out that recipe because that was a lot of fun to make. I'm also just opting for shrimp because I make a lot of chicken recipes and I wanted to do something different. So let's go get that shrimp started. All right, so here we have 2 shrimp tacos. What I really love about Mexican food is carbs, protein, fat. You can get that in all your macros in really easily and in really healthy ways, like using avocado or guacamole as your fat source is gonna be a healthier option than even things like peanut butter or almond butter. In terms of healthy tweaks, the only thing I really tweaked is the tortillas I'm using are Carb Smart. So there are 5 grams net carbs. There are still 19 grams of carbs in each tortilla, but 14 of those carbs are fiber. So I'm still gonna count that when I'm tracking my macros, but it is nice that this is helping me. I've basically reached my fiber goal for the day also just by having 2 tacos. So that is, I feel like, an added bonus that makes eating like this even more fun, even more okay. Even though it's not like all traditional healthy food. Obviously, I am using tortillas, I am using carbs, I am using fat, but this is like a very normal meal. You're not gonna feel weird eating like this. You're not gonna feel like you can't hang out with your friends because you can have your girls over, you could have a glass of wine on the side because at least your dinner is pretty healthy. It's pretty low in calories, pretty macro friendly. I mean, very macro friendly Mexican food. And even if wine isn't like traditionally healthy, it's all about being just a little bit better so that everything can work in, because we shouldn't have to be obsessed. We shouldn't have to count everything. We shouldn't have to be super psycho or like change everything about ourselves in order to live a healthier life. Whether that means losing weight, gaining weight, maintaining weight, or just creating a better relationship between you and your body. You shouldn't have to make a ton of massive changes to do that or to be able to achieve that. You should be able to just make small tweaks and have all those small tweaks add up to something really big, really real, and really sustainable for you. So I feel like that's what we've done here by just tweaking the tortilla. I've also used, obviously, shrimp because that is a high protein for volume food. So I have about 26 grams of protein just through the shrimp here. I did use reduced fat cheese, so I'm going to get more protein bang for my buck compared to just adding a whole bunch of fat in by using regular fat cheese. I also measured out the guacamole, so I have 30 grams or 2 tablespoons. I could probably have done a little bit more there, but that was like kind of all I had left on the guac, so that's just how that went. But measuring it out, then if I didn't have 2 tablespoons, which is a serving, if I didn't have that left, I would know that I didn't eat 4 grams of fat through guacamole. So I could add more if I wanted to, but I measure most of my food, if not all of my food, out just so I'm even more aware of what I'm eating. You don't have to measure all your food. You don't have to track everything. In that case, I really would recommend using the reduced fat cheese, just so that no matter what you do, it is less than had you done that with regular fat cheese. I don't find weighing and measuring to be all that invasive on my everyday life. So I think that is something that you can easily add in, and then maybe it takes you 5 more minutes to make your food because you're measuring everything out. But even like the tortillas, I'm not gonna weigh them to see that I actually ate 5 grams more or 5 grams less of what a serving size is. I'm just gonna say I had 2 tortillas and like let it be. Some things aren't worth being so accurate on. If you wanna be that accurate and weigh your tortillas out, you're more than welcome to do that. I'm just letting you know what I do to try to like create balance in my own life. I wanna be accurate, but I don't wanna be crazy in order to be accurate, if that makes sense. So here is our Taco Tuesday shrimp tacos. Pretty good looking if you ask me. If you wanted to add beans and rice on the side, you definitely could. I'm gonna have this for lunch, so this is pretty much what I'm gonna keep it at. I'll put the macros at the bottom of the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you see how not only you can have a healthy Taco Tuesday, still partake in Taco Tuesday, or still eat Mexican food when trying to live a healthier life, but also gives you some ideas about how other meals and other foods that you're eating, you can tweak just a little bit and actually make a lot better for yourself, and even through a small tweak, make a huge change. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.